Good morning. Thank you for joining me today. I am back in Good Fruit Gardens and I am here to put a video together for you today to show you how to create those supports out of cattle panel for your fruits and veggies that love to climb. Here you go. So I start off by removing the original cattle panel fence that I had. I am just snipping off those zip ties that were originally on there holding that in place. Next, I am carefully removing the sweet potato vines from that original cattle panel. Try to do this as gingerly as possible so that you do not damage any of your existing leaves. I am now hammering my T-posts into place. Now these are 4-foot T-posts. I do recommend using 6-foot T-posts for greater support. These are just ones I already owned from a previous project. So I had cut my cattle panel to size and my husband and I were just making sure that it was going to fit in the space. So now that we see that it's going to work, I am zip tying the bottom of this piece together. And essentially what it'll look like is one large oval. I will set that oval between my sweet potatoes and between both T-posts, and then I will be securing the cattle panel to the T-posts. Now, the space that I'm working with is very narrow between my sweet potatoes. It's only about 18 inches. So this is why you see me kind of squeezing that together because I want it to fit between both rows of the sweet potatoes. So now what you see my husband doing for me is shaping the cattle panel. He's spreading it just wide enough at the bottom, but not too wide to obstruct my sweet potatoes, but enough so that it touches both ends of the T-post. And now I am back with more zip ties and I am zip tying the cattle panels to the holes that are inside of those posts so that they all stay connected. So now I'm taking my wire cutters and just snipping off the additional leftover pieces from the zip ties. I am carefully weaving my sweet potato vine back through the cattle panel. Just a heads up, I was able to find this cattle panel fencing at Tractor Supply Company. Lowe's and Home Depot both sell this item. However, they did not have any in stock at the ones closest to my house, so I did find it at Tractor Supply Company. So this is the final result of the updated cattle panel fence. Now my vines will have plenty of room to grow up tall and up and over. If this video has been helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to click on that bell icon. And may your life and your garden produce good fruit. See you soon.